Hello everyone, it's Mimi back once again. I have a very exciting announcement tonight. Tonight I'm going to be announcing my giveaway, and first things first, I just want to say I'm sorry this video is going up a little bit late. I was out all day so I didn't really have time to film, but I'm doing it now. So I'm going to be announcing my giveaway tonight, and I'm really excited. So first things first, I'm going to show you what you can win, and then I will also be telling you guys how you can enter at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So first thing you'll be winning is something I handmade myself. This is just a flip book I made. The process video will be up on Thursday, and tomorrow, Tuesday, I will have a Hobby Lobby haul, so shameless plug there. Make sure you subscribe so you can see that, and because you want to subscribe to enter this giveaway. But back to the flip book. I made this flip book. I'm just going to go through it really quick so you can see all the cute stuff in here. I have the front just decorated with some embellishments made out of washi tape, and then I have a tag here, hello, and then a nice gold foil feather. And then on the inside here, let me just move this out the way. On the inside here I have an envelope full of goodies. But yeah, so there's that. So in here there's just some nice goodies in here. These are Project Life cards, and then these are some fun embellishments. And then on this page, I have a nice little giraffe. It says best day ever because you won. Congratulations. But yeah, so there's that page. And then on this middle page here, I have a pocket with some shaker tags in there. I think they're really cute. They took me a while to make. Like, I didn't think these would be that hard to make, but it was kind of hard because these are like really thick tags. I don't know if you could see that. But yeah, so I made some shaker tags for you guys, and you could also, the winner could also cut this top portion off if you don't like the tassel hanging on, or you could fill it with different ribbon. I don't know. There's options there. And then this top section flips up, but on top of it I have this removable little like decoration you could put on your own like scrapbook layout or in a Happy Mail yourself. So this comes off and you can use that. And then I have some cute little paper clips here, and then this stays on, it's just as your darling. And then on the inside here, I have my currently, and then this is where I'll write my note to the winner. So there's that, and then on this page here, it says hooray, and there's this cute little, like, I think this is a balloon, I don't really know, but it looks like a balloon filled with confetti, and then a nice tag, and then party animal, and an animal wearing a party hat, because it's a party. We are celebrating 100 subscribers, hopefully soon. But yeah, on to the next page. This page just has some vellum on it, and then this tag comes off so the winner can use this on one of their own projects. And then here I have some Project Life cards clipped on with some paper clips, and then this cute binder clip. There's just a bunch here that go with the theme that I thought would be fun to play with. And then this page flips over, and there's another tassel here. And then it says celebrate, and there's some more washi tape embellishments I made. And then this page is just decorated too with some fun embellishments. So this is a flip book you can win, and if that's not exciting enough, there's also some goodies here that you can win. So I will quickly run through those also. So there's that. So on top here we have some really pretty flowers. Some of this stuff is from like previous seasons, from Michael's, and actually these are this season, I'm pretty sure. But this is from last season. I thought they were really pretty, and you guys would really enjoy them. If you weren't able to get your hands on these, or you don't have a Michael's near you, this is one way you might be able to win it. So, but they're really cute, and they have little gems in the middle, so you can win those. There's some lace here from Hobby Lobby. It's pretty. It goes with the vintage theme of these stickers, or it could also go with like this theme of these stickers. So yeah, there's some really pretty lace here. And then I have some wood stars for you guys. They have gold on them to go with the gold theme here. But they're really pretty. I have some sequins here, some really nice colors. There's like a silvery, like copper color here. It's not really rose gold. It's like what would happen if you put just a tad of rose gold into silver. But then there's this nice warm gold sequin color. A cool gold, a yellowy gold if you're like making like sunshine or something. Then there's orange here, and then there's also brown to go with the stickers here, and then the orange goes with this one also. But yeah, so really nice stickers. You could make shaker cards with these, and then if you do make shaker tags or cards with these, well, tags really, you could put this black twine in the hole, and it's just black with some gold little flecks in there, but I did get this from the Target dollar spot, and it's on a wooden spool, so once you're done with the tool or the twine, you also have a nice wooden spool to do something fun with. And then to also go with the black and gold theme, there is this washi tape from Hobby Lobby. It says a bunch of hashtags on this one, and then in a gold foil. And then this one is just some black and white cameras, which I think is really cute. So there's that. And then these dollar store stickers I thought were so pretty. And if you don't have dollar store, if your dollar store kind of sucks, I thought this would be a great way to share the fun stuff at my dollar store. So there's this like two quote packs. One is brown and green theme, and then one is pink and orange. I love this one. I think this is so pretty. But there's these two packs, and then there's also this really pretty flower pack, and this one has 8 stickers, and these both have 7 stickers in there. So lots of stuff, fun stuff to play with. There's this stamp set in here. It's a little girl eating ice cream. There's a bunny eating ice cream. There's a giant ice cream cone. There's some what do they call these? Starfish, and then a sandcastle and some seashells. All of this stuff is brand new, you guys. I will not be giving away any of my old junky stuff. This isn't D-stash. This is simply a giveaway for you guys to win some brand new fun stuff to play with. If you are just getting into scrapbooking, if you are an avid scrapbooker with tons of stuff and you want to add to your collection, or if you've never scrapbooked before and you really just want to learn how to scrapbook and you need some stuff to do it. So that's what this channel is all about. It's about inspiring you guys to just make stuff and have fun with what you have. So hopefully you guys will be able to make some fun stuff out of this. And then there's this really pretty wood die cut. This one says dream, and then this one says imagine your dreams. So I thought this was really pretty, and it matched really well with these stickers, which have some rose gold foiling on them, and then some really nice colors. You also get the numbers and then some fun like quotation marks and stuff. But yeah, this is all the stuff you guys can win. I hope you're just as excited as I am. I wanted to do this just to show you guys that I really do appreciate your support. I'm only at, I think, 31 subscribers right now. But I wanted to give this away because you guys really do mean a lot to me. I get really excited. My videos, not all of them get a lot of views, but this is really fun for me, and I really do enjoy making YouTube videos. And hopefully this will also kind of help more people come in and see my videos, because I do want to make videos for a bigger audience someday. But we're going to start small and go up to 100 subscribers for this giveaway. And hope you guys can help me with growing my channel a little bit, and this is just a thank you for that. So on to the rules and requirements and how you can enter. One of the requirements is that you do have to live in the US. This stuff is really heavy. It's going to be really heavy to send, and shipping internationally is kind of expensive right now. So hopefully in one of my future giveaways I'll be able to ship or open this up internationally. But for right now, it's just open to the U.S. So yeah, sorry to anybody who's not in the U.S. I will certainly be doing a giveaway for you guys in the future. The second requirement is that you have to be a subscriber to this channel, and then you also have to be a follower on my Instagram account, which is Mimi Lee Crafts. Same as here on YouTube. I will put the link, hopefully I can put the link down below, but if you guys haven't followed me yet. So you do have to be a follower on my Instagram account, and then to go along with that, because I'm not sure if your YouTube and your Instagram name are the same, you have to comment below on this video right here. Comment down below your Instagram name so I can just make sure that both accounts are following the correct, or are following both of my accounts. And then, what is that? 1, 2, 3. So number 4, you have to go, I will post a picture right now after posting this video. I'm going to post a picture announcing my giveaway with this as the main picture. I will be sure that you guys know. I'll put 2 pink hearts on the side, or in the beginning and of the first sentence. So I'll have 2 pink hearts. That's so you know you're on the right picture, and just comment on there, tag one of your crafty friends and tell them to subscribe so we can get this giveaway going, because I won't be sending this stuff out and announcing the winner until I hit 100 subscribers, and all 100 subscribers will be put into this drawing. But yeah, that's all you have to do. It's really not hard. It won't cost you anything. And hopefully you guys are excited, like I said, and I'm really excited. And yeah, so I just really appreciate all of your support, and I wanted to say thank you. And I will see you tomorrow morning for my new video. It's a Hobby Lobby and Michael's haul, so hopefully you're looking forward to that as well. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.